Welcome to 37301 Moore Drive in Dade City, Florida. This charming house, built in 1975, is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. One of the things I absolutely love is this big driveway with a turnaround area. Just over 2,200 square feet on 1 acre lot. Here we have first guest bedroom. Here's your primary suite with sliders right out to the outside to the big backyard. I am a sucker for a window in a closet. Nicely updated primary bath with the double sinks, but still good counter space. Nice shower. Would love if the toilet was tucked away in a water closet, but it still works. Back out in the front, here's the half bath. I don't love that sink, but they didn't ask me. Here you've got family room, probably formal dining room, definitely eat-in area here as well. Seating at the island. Lots of counter space. I really like the way they updated this kitchen. And then let's head out to the pool. It's a lovely day for the pool. Really nice big backyard, nice covered lanai. Not bad. Not bad at all.